Hello guys, my name is Tyra Hassan and welcome back to another video of HTML course. Today we are going to learn about how to use colors in your HTML code. So HTML codes are specified with predefined color names or with RGB, HEX, HSL, RGB or HSLA values. These are the different formats which are commonly used while we write CSS code for our web page or for any application. So you can also write the color names like this: the tomato color, orange, red, blue, green, black. Let's try it out. Or you can write it. So here you can see that we have defined a heading 1 tag, and here we have defined the style tag, style attribute of h1 heading 1. Here we have defined the tomato color. We can change it to red. Let's make it red. Run. That's it. So this way you can define the different colors. We can also turn it to if you want to make the text color white, then write code of it, color white, run. Here you can see that the text color will be changed. So let's move to the next thing. Here is another example. The same thing we have done in the previous example. We can change the text color by using the color property. Then you can also define the border color by using this. You have to write the style attribute, then border 2px will be the its line thickness, or it would be 2px solid, or you can make it dotted also, and then the color name. Let's try it out. So let me increase its border. Let me turn it to 10. You can see the difference. Let me turn it to dotted, DOTTED. You can see the difference. These are the different attributes that you can use. So here you can give the color values by using RGB color values to make it like the dark one or the transparent one, or different um, ratio of the color combinations. So you can try it out here. Here you can see that they have used the RGB colors. RGB colors are defined in this ratio. So you can use the code, color code. You can use the HSL values, RGBA values. These are different formats for using the colors inside your code. So RGB color value represents red, green, and blue light sources, and RGBA color value is an extension of RGB with an alpha channel opacity. Here you can see that here is a little information about it. If you want to know the detail, you can go through it. But mostly commonly we use RGB colors and color codes for using the exact color. Here you can see that you can use different shades of a color. So here is another example of red, green, blue, alpha. So these are the, do you see? You can increase its ratio, or you can also decrease it. You can increase. Got it? So this way you can define different colors inside HTML. It's quite interesting. Hope it will help you a lot. If you have any question, let me know.